Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to making your own skincare products or you just like to learn about the different ingredients in your favorite lotions and creams, then you have come to the right place because today we are going to do a deep dive into cetearyl alcohol. So cetearyl alcohol is a fatty alcohol. It is not like the alcohols that you are used to having drying out your skin, like a rubbing alcohol. This is an alcohol that is derived from natural sources like a coconut oil or a palm oil. Cetearyl alcohol is a combination of two fatty alcohols. You have cetyl alcohol and then cetearyl alcohol. And in room temperature, it is a solid and mostly comes in white little pellets or flakes. Cetearyl alcohol is mostly used as a thickener in skincare and hair care products. It helps oil and water blend beautifully together to make a wonderful texture. And you can find it in most of your favorite lotions, creams, conditioners, and even sometimes in body butters. Now, here is why we love it. Number one, it is a wonderful stabilizer. It really helps your creams and your lotions from separating. Number two, it's skin friendly. So it really gives a nice soft and silky texture to your products, and it's very gentle on the skin. Number three, it is a great moisturizer. It creates a wonderful barrier to retain moisture on the skin, making it great for dry and sensitive skin types. So how do we use it? So typically we use cetearyl alcohol in the oil phase of our formulation. And in that oil phase, you're gonna melt it down along with all of your other oils and waxes to about 120 to 140 degrees Celsius. The usage rate for cetearyl alcohol depends on the product that you're making, but can be between 2 and 10%. For example, if you are making a lotion, it might just be around 3%. To keep it really smooth and creamy. If you are looking around and you come across the fact that you do not have any cetearyl alcohol, there are a couple of substitutions. But for the substitutions, you need to use something else that is also emulsifying and conditioning. And so the first one that I suggest is a BTMS 50. I suggest this one as a number one substitution because it is a complete emulsifying wax and it is a conditioner, so it is a straightforward substitution if you do not have cetearyl alcohol. Another substitution are the non-catatonic emulsifiers, so those would be your Pola wax, any emulsifying wax, Olive M1000, those types of waxes. I would just be careful with using these ingredients and think about what kind of feel that you want to your product, because yes, they are emulsifying, but they do lack some conditioning properties. So they will not enhance the detangling for any hair care products or the conditioning effect that you are looking for and the moisturizing effect that you're looking for your skincare product. So if you decide to go with those type of alternatives or substitutions, just kind of play around with how you're wanting it to feel and understand how it may negatively impact what you're trying to make. So that is a quick crash course in cetearyl alcohol. It is truly a powerhouse in the skincare world. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video and hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video, and then also join my Patreon where I share so many tips and tricks and recipes and tutorials and a community of like-minded people learning skincare just like you. Until next time, happy crafting.